Okay, so now that we've created a virtual environment for our project, let's go ahead and install the requirements that we're going to use to build our app. Make sure that you have the Git Bash window open, you're connected to the Vagrant server, and that you're working on the Profiles API virtual environment. If you don't see this Profiles API in brackets here before the line, then simply type work on and then the name of the environment, Profiles API, to make sure that we're switched onto the Profiles API virtual environment. Okay, so once you're on the correct environment, we're going to install our first Python package. We're going to install it using a Python package manager called PIP. So PIP is a tool that you can use to install and remove Python packages on our server in our virtual environment. So it's very easy to use. All you do is type pip install and then the name of the package you want to install. The first package we're going to install is called Django. This is the Django web framework that we're going to be using to build our project on. So we're going to type pip install, the name of the package, Django, but we're going to specify the version of Django that we're going to install. So we're going to put two equal signs and we're going to put version 1.11. It's very important that you install this specific version of Django because this is what we're going to be using for this course. And if you install a newer version or an older version, there may be some differences and some of the steps that I ask you to follow may not be exact. So make sure you install Python and you put the two equals, or you install Django with the two equals and 1.11 and hit enter. This is going to go and download the Python package from the internet and install it inside our virtual environment. It should only take a few seconds. You can see that now it says successfully installed Django, and now we can move on to installing our second Python requirement. The second requirement we need is called the Django REST framework. So we're going to start by typing the same command, pip install, and this time we're going to write Django REST framework, all one word, all lowercase, no spaces, and then two equals, and we're going to install the version 3.6.2. So again, that's pip install Django REST framework equals 3.6.2 and hit enter. Okay, so now it says successfully installed the Django REST framework. If you were to run the same command but didn't specify the equals in the version number, it would just go and install the latest version of that package on the system. So that may be useful for you to know when you're working with the pip package manager later on after this course. So that's how you install Python packages using the Python package manager. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful and I'll see you in the next lesson.